Thousands of university students will return to class next month, but right now the people who run the universities are hard at work. They're pulling together their pandemic plans, figuring out how to keep their staff and students safe from swine flu. The CBC's Dawn McPhee leads our pandemic coverage. She's live outside the region's biggest hospital tonight.
Elizabeth, thousands of young people go to school at 11 universities across the province. For now, most of them are taking a break from their classes. But with September right around the corner, school officials are already busy with pandemic planning. Summer is a relatively safe time on campus when it comes to swine flu. But come this fall, thousands of students will return to dorms, classes, and pubs.
Just being on residence, going for lunch, using the same silverware and everything like that, I think that precautions should be taken.
I'm certainly not going to avoid coming to school because of it, and I don't think that there's much of anything else that I would avoid because of, the warnings.
At Dalhousie, a special committee meets every week to work on a pandemic plan. They dealt with a major mumps outbreak just 2 years ago. Some students had to spend time in quarantine to help contain the virus. Shannon Zimmerman will be keeping students posted on what to do.
Trying to put whatever we can on the website, up on our Facebook groups, that sort of thing, and so that we can just keep students informed so that they can make the right decisions, do all the things for making sure that they don't get the flu and spreading it.
Containing a virus on a close-knit campus isn't going to be easy.
I can say for sure that disease and sickness spreads through residents like wildfire. One person gets sick, one person gets a cold, a flu, the next week 4, 5, 6 people have it.
Staff at Mount St. Vincent University are busy revising their emergency plan.
We've got a team that's a very diverse collection of faculty, staff, and students that will look at preventative measures that we can do, what communications we can do with our students.
There are other options on the table if classes couldn't continue.
We have an extensive distance education program, which we would, which would provide a great alternative, I think.
Students will find out more when they return to class on September 10th.
It is such a social place being here, and if one of my close friends got it or somebody that I knew, it probably wouldn't take more than a couple weeks for it to spread to a few hundred people.
It's like Christmas. You got to be ready, and we'll be ready for our students.
We've been updating you on numbers for new swine flu cases in Nova Scotia, but international and Canadian health officials want that to stop. Nova Scotia will likely follow their lead and start reporting more generally about severe cases and clusters of outbreaks. Tonight we can tell you that 4 people are currently in hospital with swine flu in the Halifax area. Elizabeth?
The CBC's Dawn McPhee live outside the infirmary for us again tonight.